Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to make the navigation bar visible when it is scrolled up and hidden when it is scrolled down. Before that, let's see how these websites are doing this. Let's take a look at Nike website. This is the navigation bar, and we can just scroll down. The navigation bar hides from the section, and let's scroll up. The navigation bar is visible. And let's take another example. This is from asos.com, and let's try to scroll up. The navigation bar is hidden from the view, and let's try to scroll up. The navigation bar is visible. Let's try it again. Scroll down. The navigation bar is hidden, and scroll up. The navigation bar is visible. Let's take another example from this website known as patagonia.com. Let's try to scroll down. The navigation bar is hidden. Let's scroll up. The navigation bar is visible. Let's do these things inside a frame. I have created a page. I have just inserted pages from this section, and the one thing that is missing from this section is navigation bar. You can press insert and then click on navigation and select from this list, but I'm going to create from scratch. I'm going to press F on my keyboard and then create a frame right here, and then the frame is in the wrong position. Let's place this below the desktop but not inside the header section, and name it as navigation section. I don't need the apostrophes. Yeah, navigation section is created. Let's change the height from this to 70, and I'm gonna press T on my keyboard, and then I'm gonna name something like this. The text is Kavun, and the size is 20 pixel. Letter spacing is 0.08, and let's click on the navigation section and press layout, and then as of now, let's set this to center. I'm gonna press T again, and I'm gonna select inside this navigation section. I'm gonna write something like about us, and I don't like this font for navigation links. I'm gonna set this back to Inter, and change the weight from regular to medium, and the size is just too large. Why it is in this? Let's use camel casing. Yeah, it's looking nice. Let's change the letter spacing back to 0. Yeah, it looks nice right now. Let's change this to into a navigation link. Let's click on link, and then I'm gonna write this as google.com for now, and change the link style from this to a black color, and then I'm setting a different color like this for hover, and let's press Ctrl plus P, and as you can see, when it is forward it shows a different color and then underline bar. Let's duplicate this 4 times, and we have 4 different navigation links. All of these are pointing to white is set to a different color right here, and different color is right here. Everything else seems nice. Let's just delete this and then add another header. Okay, everything is nice. Let's click on this 4 sections, and I'm gonna grab this around the stack and then call this navigation links, nav links, and we shouldn't occupy this much amount of space. I'm gonna set this to fit content, and we have 2 different things inside this navigation section. I'm gonna wrap these 2 things inside a frame, and let's wrap this inside a stack, and then I'm gonna call this as wrapper, and I'm gonna set this to space between. Now everything looks nice. Let's set the padding to 20 pixel. Top and bottom, left and right, everything seems nice. And let's press control plus play, or just clicking on this preview icon to preview this section, and yeah, it looks nice. Let's change this to 100%, the width to 100%, and yeah, everything else seems nice. And let's change the position of this navigation section from relative to fixed, and let's press Ctrl plus P. As you can see, the navigation bar is going to be fixed for the entire scroll section. So this is what we needed, and let's turn this into a component. I'm going to right click and click on create component, or you can also press Ctrl Alt K, and I'm going to call this as navigation bar. If I could type correctly, why is bar capital casing? Yeah, I have created a component named navigation bar, and I'm going to select the desktop preview, and let's click on the desktop preview center. It looks nice, and here it is space between, and these things are nice. Let's click on the desktop, and then I'm gonna go to FX right here. If you can scroll down, you can see this thing's known as FX, and I'm gonna select scroll animation, and change the trigger point to on scroll, and direction needs to be down for default. Replay needs to be yes, because we're gonna scroll up and down, and we can see the navigation bar hidden and revealing itself when it is scrolled up or down, depending on what type of scrolling we are doing. And the preset is going to be fade out, and the effect is going to be leave everything as it is except the offset of Y position. Let's change this to negative 70 pixels, and change the transition from spring to something like 350 stiffness, and let's change this to 50, and you can also set the delay to like 0.2 seconds if you wanted to. I'm going to leave it as it is, the rest of the things, and it's time to see how it does. Set to fixed, and yeah, the navigation bar is hidden when it scroll down. Let's see if it is revealing itself when it is scrolled up. Let's press the mouse arrow up, and the navigation bar is visible after 0.2 seconds delay. This is pretty much easy to do this inside of Framer, and if you guys are new to this channel, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.